Hello everyone and welcome to my Excel tutorial. In today's video we're going to learn how to enter and format data in Excel. Whether you are a beginner or looking to brush up your skills, this tutorial will guide you through the basics of entering data and the various ways you can format it to make your Excel sheets look professional and organized. So let's get started. First, open Excel on your computer and open to whatever data that you want to use or a blank workbook. To enter data in Excel, you need to select a cell where you want the data to go. You can do this by clicking on the cell with your mouse or by using the arrow keys on your keyboard to navigate to the cell. Once you have selected a cell, simply start typing to enter text. For example, if you want to enter the name John Doe in cell A1, click on cell A1 and start typing John Doe. Press enter to move to the next cell in the column or tab to the next cell in the row. Entering numbers in Excel is similar to entering text. Select the cell where you want the number to go and start typing the number. For example, to enter number 100 in cell B1, click on cell B1 and type 100. Press enter to confirm the entry. To enter a date, select the cell where you want the date to go and type the date in a recognizable format. For example, we're going to enter March 14th. 2025 and press enter. Excel's AutoFill feature can save you time when entering repetitive data. For example, if you want to have the consecutive days following March 14th of 2025, click on the cell, go to the bottom right corner, and drag to the desired date. Now that we have all of our data, we're going to work on formatting that data. First, we're going to change the font or font size of our data by selecting the cells we want to format. Then we will go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click the drop-down arrow for the font style. We'll select our desired font and our desired font size. We can make our name stand out by selecting bold, italic, or underline. We'll select bold for the names. To change the background color of a cell, select the cells you want to format. Go to the Home tab and go to the fill color and select your desired fill color. To change the text color, select the cells you want to format. Then go to the Home tab and click the font color button. Or click the drop down arrow to select your desired color. To align your text or numbers to the left, center, or right of the cell, we'll select our cells. Go to the Home tab in the Alignment section and we'll select Center. Some of our names are too long, so we're going to wrap text. We'll select our desired cells, go to the Home tab in the Alignment section and select Wrap Text. Excel allows you to format numbers in various ways such as currency, percentage, and decimal places. To change the format of numbers, select the desired number cells, go to the Numbers section on the Home tab, and select the desired format. Borders can help you highlight and organize your data. To add borders, first select the cells you want to format. Then go to the Home tab, click on the Borders drop-down arrow, and select the desired borders. We'll use all borders. Shading can make a specific cell or a range of cells stand out. To apply shading, select the cell you want to format. Then go to the Home tab, click the Fill Color button, and choose a color to use as the background color for the selected cells. Excel's built-in table styles can quickly format your data with bordering, shading, and different font styles. To format a range as a table, select the range of data, then go to the Insert tab and select Table. Our table does not have headers, so we'll deselect that and click OK. It will provide us headers, but we don't need those, so we'll delete the header row, and our table is now ready. We can change the table design by going to the Table Styles and selecting the style that we like. The great thing about tables is we can also add a total row. We'll click total row here, and a total row will appear at the bottom of the table. We'll click on this cell, click the drop down arrow, and click sum. That will be the total amount of these cells. We'll remove this one because it is dates, and now your table is ready. And that's it. You've now learned how to enter and format data in Excel, as well as how to apply borders, shading, and styling to tables and sections. With these skills, you can create well-organized and visually appealing spreadsheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tutorials.